morning, Josh. There's Josh. He just got done doing his work that was due at 10 o'clock this morning. I don't know if he's enjoying this or not. I think he'd rather be at school. Can you say hi, Josh? Okay, good morning, guys. Sorry about yesterday. There was no video yesterday. It was the first beautiful day outside, and I hope that you all went outside and enjoyed it. It was a bit hot, actually, but I really enjoyed it. So hopefully you all did too. Today's another gorgeous day, so I'm trying to get this video out there. Hopefully you guys will get your work done early, and you will once again make it outside. So, all right, lesson 87, capacity. So capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. And in the United States, we use the customary system for capacity, and that would include fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons, okay? And so we've been working on doubling and finding half of a number, and there is a relationship from these different units of measure. So you knowing how to double a number or to find half of a number should be very helpful when trying to figure out how many cups in a gallon or how many quarts in a gallon or pints in a quart and so on, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what the book shows on how to figure out the relationship between the different units. Okay, so if you take a look at the book, it shows, we'll start with the cup on the left, okay? There are 2 cups that make up a pint, okay? There are 2 pints that make up a quart, and there's 2 quarts that make up a half gallon, and then 2 half gallons make up a gallon, okay? Or if we skip the half gallon, we would say that there are 4 quarts in a gallon. All right, so let me show you a little trick that helps me out, because honestly, I really have to sit and think about it to remember how many is in another unit. So this is a little bit of a kind of a cheat sheet that I personally, if I was taking a test on this, I would draw this out right before I answer any questions, okay? So let me show you how to do that. Okay, all right, so what I would do first is I would make a giant G, okay, and that stands for gallon, all right? And within your gallon, I would draw 4 Q's. Oh, there's Darce. Hi, Darce. Okay. So there's 4 quarts in a gallon. And in each quart, I would draw 2 P's, because that's about all you can fit into the Q's. Okay. So then in each quart, there are 2 pints. And in each pint, you can fit in 2 C's. So there's 2 cups in a pint, okay? Now, if you draw this out right before you need to figure out the answer to a question, you can easily see that, let's just say, if the question was how many cups are in a quart, then you would count 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 cups in a quart. If you wanted to know how many pints are in a gallon, here's the gallon. How many pints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pints in a gallon. Okay? If you wanted to find out how many cups in a pint, there's 1 pint. There's 2 C's in that P, so we know there's 2 cups in a pint. Okay? So you can use this, like I said, kind of like a little cheat sheet, except it's not really cheating, because you can draw this out right before you start answering questions, and you should have no issues finding the answer. All right, as long as you're careful and you're remembering to count and not just putting an answer down quickly. All right. Okay, that is my lesson for today on capacity. So hopefully you see how easy it is. Like I said, you can easily write that G out and start going from there. And the more you use that, the more you'll memorize it anyways, and then you probably won't have to draw it out anymore. So, all right, you guys have a wonderful day. It's going to be another beautiful day outside. I couldn't take another day off, so I wanted to make sure I got this video ready for you guys, and I'm going to go and grade some of your papers you've turned in to me. Thank you so much. I know you guys hopefully are not having a hard time with this. I know we're trying to keep it nice and light for you guys so you can still enjoy your families, enjoy this nice weather that we're having. Spending time with your moms, your dads, and your siblings, and your pets. Darce is somewhere around here. I don't know where he just went, but anyways. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. All right. Bye.